SOA XMP practice question 97. A national airline company tracks the maintenance cost for its fleet located at 4 different airports. Maintenance costs at each airport are independent of the cost at any other airport. Airport managers have calculated the following statistics. For airport W, the average cost is 1.5 and the standard deviation is 0.75. We get the same information corresponds to the other 3 airports, airports X, Y, and Z. Calculate the standard deviation of total company maintenance cost. Let's take a look at the solution. We need to get the standard deviation of the total. First, we need to start with the variance. To get the variance of the total of these 4 airports corresponds to the maintenance cost, and then take the square root to get the standard deviation. The variance of the maintenance cost of airport W plus X plus Y plus Z, due to independence, this equals the variance of W plus variance of X plus variance of Y plus variance of Z. The standard deviation of W is 0.75, and we need to get the variance. The variance is the square of the standard deviation, and therefore we have 0.75 square for airport W. For airport X, the variance is 1.25 square. And then we get the variance Y, variance Z accordingly. Sum this up. We get the variance of the total is 11.4375. To get the standard deviation, we take the square root of the variance, and we get the answer. The standard deviation of total company maintenance cost is 3.3819.